How to use could and couldn't in English sentences. Could is the preterite of can. It expresses a capacity in the past. Couldn't express a disability in the past or something hypothetical. Could can express a capacity or permission in the past. It is used as the past of can. I could smell something burning. My grandmother could speak 6 languages. I was totally free. I could go where I wanted. Compare the following sentences. I can see something. Present. I could see something. Past. Could mean hypothetical ability. Example, something could be realized or be true now or in the future. It's similar to might or may. You could succeed if you work harder. I could go out with you, but I'm tired. They could arrive anytime now. Could you do this exercise in 1 minute? If we had some eggs, I could make you some pancakes. Compare the following sentences. I can see something. Present. I could see something. Past. Could mean hypothetical ability. Example, something could be realized or be true now or in the future. It's similar to might or may. You could succeed if you work harder. I could go out with you, but I'm tired. They could arrive anytime now. Could you do this exercise in 1 minute? If we had some eggs, I could make you some pancakes. We can use could to make a suggestion or talk about possible actions. We can then replace it with can. We could go to the movies tonight if you want. When you go to London next week, you could stay at Paul's place. He could try to fix the car himself. Could also express a logical deduction. It could be true. She could still be in bed. It could freeze tonight. Where Paul, where's Paul? He could be at Tony's place. Could have plus past participle is used to express a possibility in the past, but that has not happened, to make a criticism or to express a hypothesis. For example, you could have broken your arm. He could have tried once more. Your brother could have helped you. We were lucky we could have run out of petrol. Could also express unrealistic things. This place is amazing. I could stay here. Could allows you to ask for permission or something politely in the present. Could I please use your bathroom? Could we move on to the next topic now, please? Could you pass me the salt, please? I'm busy right now. Could you call back later? Couldn't. Couldn't allows to express a disability in the past. I couldn't start my car this morning. I was so tired I couldn't get up. This incapacity could be due to something that was not permitted or authorized. In high school, we couldn't use our smartphones. Tina couldn't go to the party because her parents wouldn't let her. We couldn't. We doubt that anything is true. We are almost sure of what we are saying. It couldn't be true. Paul couldn't be at Tony's place. You couldn't be hungry. You've just had some pizza. To express the impossibility of the past, we use couldn't have plus past participle. We had a really good evening. It couldn't have been better. Tina couldn't have gone to the party because she was sick.